Hi. Is this Stacy?
Hi, yes, it is.
Wow. Pleasure to talk to you. My name is Norman. I'm the guy they hired for your position because somebody got a promotion. Congrats.
Yeah, okay. So you're the new transcriber.
That's
awesome.
me, yeah. I really hope I can get promoted someday.
Oh.
Just like you, right?
Right.
So, can I be honest with you about something?
Okay.
Look, I didn't really tell the manager, Diana. You know Diana.
Yes, Diana's the one who hired you.
I didn't want to say this to her, but I feel like I'm a little overqualified for this position.
Well, I mean, that might be a good thing because then you can get the work done well.
Oh, I didn't even think of that. In, out, clock me out. Well, don't clock me out. Still charge me for the 8. Pay me for it.
Right. Norman, I don't mean to interrupt, but...
It's okay. You're my bestie now.
Okay. Is there anything I can help you with?
Yeah. Would you mind if we practiced?
The medical transcription. You want to transcribe?
Yeah. I have my whole setup here. It would just make me feel a lot more comfortable.
I don't know how we are going to practice over the phone, though.
Like just make up a patient's file, a name, age, all that stuff, and then I'll put it in.
I will say that I love your enthusiasm. This is
Thanks, I love you too.
Yeah, correction. I did not say I love you, but I do love your enthusiasm.
You didn't say it yet, but eventually we'll get there.
Let's just try this. We have patient A, 62-year-old male.
Okay, all right. Patient A. All right, continue.
What are you typing on?
I'm typing on keys with letters on them.
Okay, well, it sounds like a typewriter.
Uh-huh.
And not a computer.
Right, yeah. It is. So.
A typewriter?
Yeah.
Can you pull out your computer and do this?
Oh, no, computer. Hold on a second. I don't want to laugh in your ear. Computer. You don't need a computer, silly.
Norman.
Do these things the old-fashioned way.
You have to have a computer so you can upload these files to a database.
I'm so sorry, Stacy, but are you my boss? Because I don't think you are.
Oh.
Okay.
You got promoted, but not that promoted. So you really can't tell me how to do my job. So let's get back. Let's get back to patient A. I have so far patient A. Hold on. Patient. It's a long word. It's longer than you think. A. I spelled it E-H, like Canadian A. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding.
Norman, I don't want to tell you how to do your job, but all of this is already written down. If we need it in computer form, we need it.
Well, if you need a copy, what are you going to do? Huh? I have a hard copy right here. Patient A.
But there's also a hard copy that you would be transcribing this from.
Oh, hold on. Give me a second here. Hold on.
What if you type so long that you have to reset it? I only said patient A.
I'm practicing. So I wrote patient A about 6 times in different ways. Patient.
Hey, Norman.
A. Well, hold on. Wait, I can't.
You need to listen to me.
Hold on, Stacy. Patient A.
Listen, I don't know what you are doing. This is not how this job works.
Wow, big wow, Stacy. Are you jealous that I'm better at this job than you were? I haven't even started.
This doesn't even make sense. You're not even doing the job yet. You're using a typewriter.
Hold on. Suffering from severe jealousy.
No. Do not write that. I am not.
You're patient B.
Not.
I'm not like patient D, Diana. She's the one who set you up for all this.
What?
This is a prank phone call.
What are you talking about?
And you're on the radio. Hey, congratulations.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
She said you're honestly the best transcriber they ever had, and she misses you already.
I can't believe it. Oh, That was so stressful.
You're stressed. It's kind of hard to work with you.
Yeah, definitely. I'm the difficult one. That's right.
If I could spell high maintenance, I'd type it right now, but I don't know. I can't. There's no spell check on this thing.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and follow the page for more. Until next time.